Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, in today's class, as I have told you in the last class, that we will discuss about two words the two words that I have given you in the last class. One was confidence and another was hesitation, right? So, let me tell you something about these two words first. Then I will go to each of you and let's see what you have written. Any one word I have told you, you can write about any one word, either confidence or hesitation. Actually, the two words that I have given, both are nouns, confidence and hesitation. But these two words are opposite to each other. That means they are antonyms. So we have heard about these words, synonym and antonym, while when you are teaching your kids, your children, then also you must have seen in English classes synonyms and antonyms, opposite words they need to write, right? So confidence and hesitation, these two are also antonyms of each other. They are opposite to each other. Where confidence means both, though both are noun, confidence means the feeling or belief that one can have faith in someone or something. That the feeling, so confidence is the feeling of us that we have faith on someone or something. We are confident, we have confidence. That means we have faith or we can rely on something or someone. That means the confidence. Whereas hesitation is exactly the opposite of confidence. That means the action of pausing before saying or doing something. So whenever we are doing something or we are going to say something, if we are not confident enough, then we pause for a while, right? For some time we pause, we think, should we say it or we should not say it? Should we do it or we should not do it? So this is the hesitation. So the action of pausing before doing anything or before saying anything, that is the hesitation. Confidence and hesitation both are nouns, but both are antonyms. Antonym means they are opposite words, and synonym means similar words. Okay. Some similar words of confidence that I can tell you are determination, courage, assurance, belief. You can also note it down if you have brought any paper and or pen with you. You can also note it down. That some synonyms. Synonym means, as I have told you, that synonym means similar words. Some similar words that you can also use in place of confidence. The similar words are determination, courage, assurance, and belief. And in other case, the hesitation, some synonyms, that means some words which are quite similar to synonym. In place of in place of hesitation, you can also use this word when you are talking to someone. Synonyms of hesitation are indecision, pause, irresolution. Indecision, pause, irresolution. So from the synonyms, we can see here that the synonyms of confidence like determination, courage, belief, assurance, and the synonyms of hesitation, indecision, pause, irresolution. So we might think that confidence is a very positive word and hesitation is negative kind of word, right? But sometimes in our life, some situations we face. Shravani Mondol, please mute your device. Shravani Mondol, please mute your device.
কেটে যাচ্ছে তো হচ্ছে না কেন তোমার
I'm just requesting you to please mute your device so that the noise that is coming should not come.
প্রবলেম কেন হবে
Shamima Khatun, Shamima Khatun and Shravani Mondol, please mute your device. Okay. So as I was telling again, I'm quickly revising it that what I have told you confidence and hesitation, I told you to write something, some sentence, 5 or 6 or maybe 10 as you can on two words that I have given you, confidence and hesitation. Any one word you can write about. Both are noun. Confidence means the feeling or belief that you have faith or you can rely on someone or something, whereas hesitation is exactly opposite of confidence. That is the action of pausing before saying or doing something. Whatever you are saying or you are doing, if you pause, if you are not confident enough, then you hesitate. That is the hesitation. Though from the synonym that we can get of confidence and hesitation, it seems that confidence is positive word and hesitation is negative word, but it's not like that. Many situations we face in our life where if we get overconfident, then we will have to suffer for that. And if we get overconfident, then hesitation is quite good, because if we hesitate while doing something which we should not do, then maybe that hesitation could save our life. So I will just call your names. I will ask you one by one that what you have written. First of all, the participants who have written something, please raise your hand. Not all could write, I can understand, but those who have written something and who want to read it or who want to tell me that about confidence or hesitation, those who have written something, please raise your hand so that I can quickly call you. Okay, 3 hands are already raised. First name I can see here, Rima Bhandari. Okay, Rima Bhandari, please unmute your device.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yes.
From those two words, I choose hesitation.
Okay.
Hesitation is the act of pausing before doing something because we are nervous or not prepared for that work. So hesitation is a part that's shown our weakness. Hesitation is a delay due to uncertainty of mind or fear.
Okay.
When I talk something important to someone, even I know that that's right, but sometimes I hesitate because there my mind thinks that what he or she thinks about this. The hesitation is a type of our weakness. That's all.
Okay. That's all. Okay. Very good. Very good. So very nice and good informations that you have given. What is hesitation all about, and what does this word mean? Okay. Can you please share? Have you hesitated some in your life, and that may have left a positive or negative effect, but what kind of experience you can share with us that in your life, maybe in some situation you have hesitated and that had an either negative or positive impact? Have
Ma'am,
you faced?
I'm always hesitate because I don't talk to anyone that matlab, I think I always think that they are what they think about my that word. So I always hesitate.
Yeah, I know, I
That's
know. That's fine.
my
That is
problem.
no, that is not a problem at all. What is the fact that we should be as I have, this is why I have given these two words, because they are exactly opposite. Sorry, sorry for that inconvenience. These two are exactly opposite to each other, and at the same time these two are equally dependent on each other. So if we learn to be confident enough, it's not necessarily that we all know everything. No, we never, no one is perfect. So throughout our lifetime, we will get something to learn. And even we can learn from our children. So there is nothing like, if we don't know anything, we should have the courage to express that. Yes, I don't know, but I am very, very much interested to know that. That is the main thing. That maybe I don't know that, but I am very interested to know what is it. So maybe we none of us is perfect. So this is why I gave these two opposite words actually. So hesitation is, it's our weakness. It expresses our fear. If we are just not confident enough to express ourselves, we get this hesitation. All of us get this hesitation, and it's quite normal. Okay, and a very good writing you have written about hesitation. This word very nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so the next name I can see here, Shravani Mondol. Yes, please unmute your device.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yes, and which word you have chosen?
Confidence.
Okay, then please tell something about that.
Confidence is positivity side in our life, but overconfidence destroy our life. Self-confidence is the key to success. Learning to trust is the first step in building confidence. Confidence grows self-love, self-awareness, and respect for others. Confidence helps deal with mental stress.
Okay, so that's it. That you have written. Anything more? Have you written anything more?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. So you have written so many sentences which are quite positive, which are very, very positive, and which helps in our life to for our improvement, for our success. Confidence is very, very important. As I have also told, that confidence means the belief, the feeling that we can rely on something or someone, and that leads to our success. Very good, very nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Well, thank you, ma'am.
Next name I can see here is Mohua Bhandari. Please unmute your device.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. Yes, and which word you have chosen, ma'am?
Ma'am, confidence.
Confidence. Okay,
Confidence.
okay. Please say
Yeah.
something.
Yeah. Ma'am, here I share confidence in my life and my about my daughter.
Yeah,
Okay.
of course.
I am confident about myself, but sometimes my confidence level is low about my daughter. My baby is enjoying dancing, drawing, playing, but she can't enjoy her food. So I do my best recipe for her, but baby ignore it. She takes a long time to finish the food. But I'm confident as a yoga instructor that she has a bright future in academic and yoga as she grown up in yogic culture. That's it, ma'am.
Okay. That was also very nicely written. So, as if you say you would tell it to me, I can give a little bit suggestion. Maybe it will work.
Yes, ma'am.
In most of the cases, it 80 to 90% it works. It is a common problem with the kids that they don't want to eat the vegetables and food properly. So in that case, we can make it a little bit interesting by making the foods with different kinds of shapes. Like if you want to give her a boiled egg, you can make rabbit with that. You just
Okay.
add some, you just make the ears or make the tail, or with something you can make the eyes and make a rabbit with that. And just like that, similar faces or similar structures that the kids can relate to, that they generally see in their cartoon characters. You can make different types of shapes with the food so that they can eat. Even a little bit, if they eat, that will be beneficial for them. That will be good for them. That will make them healthy actually. Yeah, I can understand your problem. That is a big problem for most of us.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, but yeah, if she is good in yoga, then yeah, you should definitely. And if you are confident, that confidence will reflect in your child also. If you show confidence in her, you tell her that, yeah, I have that belief that you can do it. And that confidence will convey to her also. She will also start believing in herself. She will also start believing, yes, my mama believes in me. That means, yeah, I can do it. And she will also do it better. Yeah, that is very nice to talk to you. Thank you so much,
Okay,
Mohua
thank you,
Bhandari.
ma'am.
Yeah. Welcome. Umi Salma, please unmute your device. Umi Salma.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon. And which word you have chosen, ma'am? Confidence or
Confidence.
hesitation? Confidence. Okay. Then please tell us something about that.
Confidence is the key of success. We need confidence to express ourselves and handle several critical situations. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. You have written that much. That is also very, I appreciate that you have written and you have read it in front of us. Very good. And that
Thank
keeps,
you, ma'am.
yes, you're welcome. Thank you so much. And next day also we will discuss on some topic. I will expect that you will also participate in that. Very nice. Thank you so much. Shormishta Mondol, unmute your device. Shormishta Mondol.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. And which word you have chosen? Confidence or hesitation?
Today I am speak about confidence.
Today you will speak about confidence.
Hmm. I think that means having a belief in ourselves. It's need to be development our life. It is very important things because with confidence one can achieve anything in our life. But overconfidence is sometimes dangerous in my life. Sometimes overconfidence can be break our real confidence. Then our life change a depression. That's all, ma'am.
Yes, because overconfidence sometimes leads to failure also. So here is the important thing that when we hesitate, we need confidence. But when we become overconfident, actually we need hesitation. Maybe that little hesitation can save our life. So here these two words depend on each other. Very nicely said. Thank you so much, Shomishta Mondol. Now Rabia Khatun, please unmute your device. Rabia Khatun.
Good evening. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Very good afternoon. And which word you have?
Ma'am, today is my first class.
Okay. Then please introduce yourself first to all of us. So you have so
I am
many
Rabia
friends here.
Khatun,
Yes.
and I am mother of Sekarian Ahmed, standard 2. Student
Okay,
of standard
this is
2.
standard two. Okay. And where do you live in? Are you from Bagnan?
Yes, ma'am. I am from Bagnan.
Okay. And is he your only child?
Yes, ma'am. He is my only child.
And how is your experience here?
Ma'am, I can understand, please. What one? Please, please repeat me.
What is his experience here? Is he feeling happy to do the online classes and everything? Everything is going
Yes,
well?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I am happy because I have some problem when I teach my son. Then I feel very hesitation. What can I do? How I teach him? Like that's why I joined class.
Okay.
I face many
Yes.
problems.
Yeah, maybe we will also not
I have big
discuss.
problem, pronunciation problem, and grammatically problem.
This is why we are actually doing this class. Maybe we will not read something grammatically, some grammatical portions or like that. We will simply discuss on some topics. We will just speak to each other in English so that we also can get the confidence and we can teach our children properly. We can teach them how to speak in English and all these things. We will discuss some topics and we will just share each other's experience on that topic if we have any. So we will, so that we can get the confidence. Okay, just the main aim is that actually. And thank you so much for joining this class. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Priyanka Sarkar, you please unmute your device. Priyanka Sarkar.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. And which word you have chosen, ma'am?
I am telling about some lines of confidence.
Okay, you're telling about some lines on confidence. Okay, yes, please, ma'am.
Self-confidence is the key to success. The confidence of a person can be seen in the work done by that person. A person with self-confidence can alone face the biggest problems or challenges in her life. We should overcome your fears and weakness to become self-confident. One should avoid negativity and try to get surrounded by positivity to do much better. Confident people should always be careful not to become overconfident. Every person should have self confidence because it is essential for us to have confidence in us for doing any work. We all should have faith in ourselves, and that will become the reason for our success.
Okay, very nice